I saw a little bird. I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I opened the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. I love little Katy. I love little Katy. Her coat is so warm and I don't hurt her. She will do me no harm. So I won't pull her tail nor drive her away. But Katy and I together will play. She will sit by my side and I will give her soup. And I will give her some food. And Katy will love me because I am good. Swim and fly. Fish can swim, birds can fly. The fish in the water, the birds in the sky.